Money Network mobile app. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So you can easily find this Money Network mobile app in your Play Store or your Google or your Apple Store. So simply search for Money Network mobile app. This is not available in my region, but if it is available in your region, simply install it. It has the logo with M and N in orange background, and this app from this app you can control your money, or you can or this is it can be said that this is a very secure way to keep track of your money on the go. The app is available to Money Network account holders and secondary card holders. The app is free to download and gives you more control of your money with 24/7 access to your information anytime, anywhere. You can see balances without logging, piggy banks to set aside some money for saving. So that is the idea of this app. However, the ratings aren't that good for this app, but you can just install it and give it a try. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.